are you doing?
Well, I got to see if these sails are the same. We have the old one, the new old one that was somebody else's, and I need to make sure they're the same because I don't want to put it up and find out it's different after I put it up. So we're going to spread it out on the concrete. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
Everybody grab a corner.
Todd and I started traveling in an RV 8 years ago with 7 of our 10 kids. One by one, they've flown the coop and started their own adventures. Now, after 3 years of fixing up a hurricane-damaged sailboat, we're ready to explore the world with our last 3 kiddos before they're gone too.
Alright, so here's what we have. So, the new one is about that much longer. Same thing down here.
What is that?
Hey, Missy! That's the main.
So is it good?
It looks good. It's longer than the old one, though.
Ah.
So hopefully, I think so. It depends on if we have the length on the mast.
So that's the mast, yeah. So the terminology is leech is the trailing edge, luff is the leading edge, and foot
Right.
is the bottom.
So they're
So-
the same length width along the foot?
The foot's the same.
This is Dan. He's the harbor master at our marina and has sailed his electric catamaran throughout the Caribbean. He and I also went to high school together in Alaska. It's a small world in the sailing community.
The old one was just on the boom, but
You never
it never got
raised it?
raised. Yeah.
Okay.
So we don't know if it
Yeah,
was
so
short.
really the thing to do is to pull it up the mast. Don't even worry about connecting the foot. Pull
Right.
it up the mast and see if that dimension's correct.
All right.
Yeah,
Is this? Because
take
this.
it off and flip it over. You want to take it over, flip it this way, or flip it underneath?
So how many people does it take to put sails on? You know, we're new to this. You can use all the help we can get.
Kind of.
Get this thing tied off so it doesn't fall off.
I got it.
Do you recognize Rusty? He helped us install our electric motor 2 years ago, and Todd joined him on his boat as crew when they sailed from Hawaii to Alaska.
Come on, baby.
Got it?
No, not yet. There you go.
He seems to turn up for a visit at just the right time to help us do big things.
So these sails came off another boat.
Okay,
just
good.
like
Another
this one?
exact
Yep.
same boat. Yeah.
That's nice. Last one.
Okay.
All right.
All right. We'll leave that right there.
I'm going to hand this to you, Rusty.
Okay, I got it. Easy there. Yeah, well, it's kind of sticky.
Yeah, I haven't put any of that sail track lube on. I'm going to pull this in a little bit rusty so it'll get past that spreader. Alright, here we go.
Alright. Alright. You got a winch handle?
Abigail, come up here, please. In the very front, underneath everything is a handle. There you go. Bring it to me. There we go.
Have this back hooked up because I need a wrench and a screwdriver to. Unfortunately, it's not self-tailing there, Russ.
Yes, I see that. Self-tailing would be nice.
Yeah. Woo. If I hold on too tight, it might pull me right off the boat.
Yeah, well, I don't.
I think it'll be tall enough.
Hey, it looks like a sailboat. Well, it's not too tall. That's the good news.
Yeah. Okay, we need to bring it down before it like
Somebody work on the front.
sails us.
Yeah, Russ, you.
What do you think, dear? It's a sailboat.
Yes, it is, but I can't. Yeah, we need some line to tie this up.
That was easy, huh?
We purchased these sails from another Morgan 462 owner after he upgraded. We are so excited to be installing them. Today we are putting up the mainsail and the Genoa. The mizzen needs a small repair, so we'll get to that as soon as we can.
Oh, you've already got the rope on the drum?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the rope's on the drum.
Take it up.
Yeah, I'd go for it. It isn't gonna break anything. It's gonna make a lot of noise.
Take it up, Greg.
Yeah, we don't have any of the rope.
Oh, you don't have a rope on the clue?
The red and the two side ropes that wind up with the thing when you wind it up.
Oh.
We don't have anything on that end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's that rope?
This is why it's good to have people helping us.
All right, we're good. I don't have a clue.
That's what Tammy said.
2, 3 clues here on this boat.
All right, so theoretically, that's what we got.
So you can go like this and then pull all this slack out. Okay. Yeah, just try to keep the middle roughly. Go.
Our pink line is supposed to be red.
Yeah, I ordered red.
Yeah. Red and pink, I guess. White.
So now,
So those we'll just hold on to as the sail goes up. We can even do it. In fact, over here on the dock would be best because
It's going to blow this way.
Towards.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to get heavy. Yeah. You need a tailer.
What do we need?
Do you know how to tail?
No.
So you
yeah, we got a tail
the rope
winch.
that he's cranking the winch, but he's got to use 2 hands because he's got to keep the slack tight.
Okay.
Yeah, just keep tension on it.
Okay.
Hang on.
Oh.
They got out of the
It'd be
track.
better on this side.
Loosen it up a little bit.
Alright. You need to pull up.
Okay. Pull this direction.
Yeah, it can get jammed real bad.
Good?
All right.
Hopefully it fits.
Yeah. And we're getting close. Boy, we're getting close up there too. Of course, I guess that's
We're
where it
good.
would be.
It looks like it's gonna fit. Yeah, you can go another 3 feet at the top.
Is that right? Okay.
Yep.
That's about what we need.
Look at it blow.
All right, cinch her up.
That looks good. If you just give it one little snug, the rope will stretch.
So
You want to cinch it up and clean it off?
Yeah, now you cleat that halyard off, and then we'll start rolling it up. You may not need the winch. She's rolling it up by hand.
Doing a good job, bro.
Perfect! Look at that.
Holy moly.
It's on.
Did you get that on film, Tammy? I did. Woo! Thank you, Dan. Thank you, guys.
It's a sailboat now.
It's a sailboat.
Oh, it's a sailboat.
Yes, it is, isn't it?
Oh, my word.
3-year mission.
All right. Well, it's in the morning. It's going to rain today. And I was tasked with going to the storage unit, trying to find our sail covers, because as you can see behind me, our sails are not covered from the UV. And I think I have them in the storage unit. I'm supposed to. They got shipped. But I don't recall ever actually opening the box. What a mess. Ugh. Could they be up there? I know. wonder if they're in that box. Uh-huh. That's pretty much, I'm pretty sure that's where they are. Alright.
Tell her to help me put them away.
Looks like sail covers to me. There's a Quantum Sail logo on it.
Our cockpit is looking kind of messy.
Sure is.
Pirates are out. Pirates who don't know anything. What's that one from VeggieTales? The pirates who don't do anything?
We are the pirates who don't do anything. We just stay at home and lie around.
It's kind of weird there's got a nylon nut on it.
Well, the whole thing's wrong.
I know.
Like
but
I said,
like,
it's just, you know.
just somebody said, hey, this'll work.
So we hoisted the main to see if it fit. But now there are some details that we need to take care of to make it secure.
We're going to get you on up on your feet. Come on down to the centre stage, get yourself a water gun. And once the littles get the guns, then your bigs can have a gun too. How's that sound, mate? Ah, there you go, mate. Come on, kids, it's Texas, you can open carry. Let's play with some guns. Aye, that's all right.
Hang on.
Okay, whoa. All of these are off.
Oh, well, how did they get off? Oh, that's the bottom one?
That's the bottom.
Okay. Alright, go pull that down. Alright, now you're going to have to feed this on this clip right here. As I pull up on it. Okay. Put it on.
Yep.
Come here. Here, I want you to stand over there and pull on this rope. You got it? Keep it tight. There we go.
Sticky, sticky.
That's it, right? The last one. This is a wood screw. It's not even a machine screw because, you know, that's what they do. They put the wrong thing in there. That is not a screw you put into an aluminum thing. That is a wood screw or a sheet metal screw.
Well, you don't need to put it back in there
Well, I can put it back in part way because it'll keep it from falling out in the meantime.
until we find something else.
Yep. Now we need to start flinking it down and bring the
Patents.
battens. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Gabe can help flake the front end. I'll work on these on the back end.
Okay, the first thing you have to do is pull this tighter because it's bubbled up.
Tightens up there.
It's up here with this string.
Yep, and it hooks into that thing right there. Put some body weight into it, man.
It doesn't actually like push in here. It doesn't. See? You're not doing any more than me. It doesn't stick in there.
It's the wrong diameter rope for this.
Everything's wrong. Alright, so you ready?
Yeah, we're going to have Gabe help flake here.
Okay, come up here and help Daddy.
Hang on, don't go too fast. You gotta flake yours left and right, left and right. Okay, you let go of that. Ah, there we go. Alright, come down a little bit.
Follow Dad.
Come down.
I'm coming.
Alright, hang on, let me put the 6th batten in. I guess somebody knew what they were doing, huh? All right, Gabe, you can let go of that end. Maybe just put your hand on this to keep the wind from blowing that. All right, Gabe, so what we want to do is this kind of has to stay on top of the boom like this. All right, Gabe, this is Velcro. Run it around, bottom, Velcro at the top. This goes over like this, Gabe. There we go.
So the slits are for the lazy jacks.
Right. We don't have.
Nope, not yet.
So I guess that tells us where we need to put them. And then tie it like a shoelace.
Well, yay! So we got Johnson sails and a Quantum sail cover.
Alright. So we need to mount another cleat.
There's
two on
3
here,
cleats on
right?
there.
Well, but the spare halyard comes out on the side that only has 1 cleat.
Yeah, well. Thanks for watching to the end. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And come back next week as we prepare to leave Port Aransas. What a mess, what a mess, what a mess.